documentation. Number 2 is contracts and documents review. And number 3 is writing letters, making phone calls on your behalf. How many people have ever heard of an insurance company not doing the right thing? So I had a van, it was a camper van, it was parked outside my house. I got hit at 45 miles an hour. She didn't even stop or brake. Obviously it's not my fault, but her insurance company tried to lowball me. I got an email offer, I was like, this is not right. I didn't get mad, I didn't get angry. I literally tapped the app, put all the names of the parties involved, picked a 3-hour callback window that worked for my convenience. I was able to talk to a consumer law attorney, and they told me exactly what to say, and they helped me ghostwrite an email back in response to this terrible offer. Because I knew all the legal jargon, she threw in great things about, I don't know, supply chain and stuff I didn't understand, but I was like, okay. I was able to get an offer back for $17,000 more. I was expecting maybe 7 to 10, so I was really happy. But I remember her in my head saying, don't sign anything unless I review it, because sometimes they slip things in. So as soon as I got the offer, I was like, wee! And then I'm like, oh wait, I need to send it to my attorney. So I sent it to my law firm. She reviewed it. She said it looks great, except for I'm not sure why they're making you pay a $271 DMV transfer fee when you didn't do anything. I didn't see it. I wouldn't have known about it. So I was able to now email back and said, hey, listen, I'm not paying that. They said, oh, it was an accident. We never meant for you to ever have to pay that.